Hello everyone and welcome to Deploying Machine Learning Models with Vapor and CodeML. Let's go ahead and see what we'll be covering in this course. We're going to start by installing and setting up our environment using Mini Conda. We're going to install NumPy, Python, Panda, scikit-learn, and even Jupyter Notebook. Next, you're going to learn how to clean and prepare data using Python. We'll start with the year column and format all the different years nicely so that all of them are adjusted within a range. We're also going to standardize the miles column, and finally we'll pay our attention to the name column where we will change the string name into a label encoded integer value. We're also going to learn about type of regression algorithms. This will include linear regression and also random forest regression. We're going to learn about how these regression algorithms work and what are the pros and cons of each of the methods. After that, you're going to learn how to train your model using Python. We are going to use the random forest algorithm and also train test split so we can split our data into a training set and also a testing set. At the end, we will also validate our data and get a score of the probability or the confidence level of our model. After converting the model to ML model using CodeML tools, we will integrate the model with our iOS application. This iOS application is going to use the integrated model, which is part of the app, to predict the car prices. Next, we are going to use Vapor to host our core ML model on the server. This will allow us the opportunity to update the model without publishing a new version of our iOS app. The iOS app can simply communicate with the Vapor server, send in the information like year, miles, and the name of the car, and we will be able to predict the price of the car all on the server. This is going to be a great section, and I'm sure you're going to love it. This is truly one-of-a-kind course with endless possibilities. I really hope that you enjoy this course. Let's go ahead and get started.